Have you ever pondered the true value of gold and silver? Many people have come to appreciate the intrinsic worth of these precious commodities that have, for centuries, been recognized as a universal measure of wealth and prosperity. The world we live in today has undergone a dramatic evolution, with shifts in economic models, advancements in technology, and changes in societal attitudes. Despite these changes, gold and silver have remained steadfast, withstanding the test of time and maintaining their value through periods of uncertainty and turbulence. In our journey today, we are diving deep into the world of investing, a complex and labyrinthine realm filled with countless opportunities and potential pitfalls. Here, we will be comparing the unyielding, glistening allure of gold and silver with other popular investment options that have gained prominence in recent years. The investment landscape is vast, varied, and constantly in flux, offering a multitude of avenues to explore for those seeking to grow their wealth. Among these, stocks, bonds, real estate, and cryptocurrencies are undoubtedly the most common and widely recognized. Each of these investment options has its own unique allure, offering varying degrees of risk and potential returns. Let's first consider stocks. They are arguably the most popular form of investment, known for their potential to offer high return. But with the allure of high returns comes the inherent risk of a volatile market. The value of a stock can fluctuate wildly based on a myriad of factors, making it a high-risk, high-reward investment option. Bonds, on the other hand, are often considered to be safer, but they tend to offer less spectacular returns. They are seen as a more conservative investment option, serving as a steady income stream and providing a sense of security for investors who prefer a more stable portfolio. Real estate is another popular form of investment that offers the advantage of owning a tangible asset. However, investing in real estate is not without its challenges. There are often high costs associated with purchasing and maintaining properties, and it can be a headache dealing with tenants, property taxes, and other issues that can arise. In recent years, cryptocurrencies have emerged as the new kids on the block, making waves with their revolutionary potential to disrupt traditional financial systems. However, they're still considered a gamble, with their value susceptible to dramatic fluctuations and their acceptance by governments and businesses remaining uncertain. Amidst this myriad of investment options, gold and silver stand out as unique. These precious metals have been treasured since time immemorial, symbolizing wealth and prosperity across different cultures and civilizations. Unlike stocks or bonds, the value of gold and silver is not subject to the whims of businesses or governments. They offer a tangible, finite resource that is globally recognized and universally accepted as a form of wealth. Their value is intrinsic and transcends geographical boundaries, making them a reliable store of value. But the uniqueness of gold and silver extends beyond their tangibility and universal acceptance. They have a unique ability to maintain value and even increase in price during times of economic uncertainty. When the stock market takes a tumble, gold and silver prices often rise. Investors see these precious metals as a safe haven, a reliable place to park their wealth when other markets are unstable. Consider the global financial crisis of 2008. As stock markets worldwide were plummeting, gold prices soared. It was during this time of turmoil that the true power and resilience of gold were reaffirmed. This is the power of gold and silver. They offer a level of security and stability that few other investments can match. However, investing in gold and silver is not without its challenges. While it may seem tempting to invest in these precious metals, a word of caution is necessary. First, let's delve into the concerns surrounding storage for these tangible assets. When we speak of gold and silver as investments, we're about physical bars, coins, or bullions, not mere representations of value. This fact alone presents a unique challenge. How do you store these assets safely? Where do you keep them to ensure their security? It's not like stocks or bonds, which are held electronically and can be accessed with the simple click of a mouse. No, gold and silver require physical storage. You can't simply tuck them away in a drawer or bury them in your backyard. They must be stored somewhere that is both secure and accessible, a place where they are safe from theft, but also readily available when the time comes to sell. You might consider a bank vault, a safety deposit box, or even a home safe. However, each of these options comes with its own set of problems and costs. Bank vaults are expensive and may not be readily accessible. You need them. Safety deposit boxes are more affordable but lack the privacy of a home safe. A home safe, while private and accessible, may not provide the level of security desired. And let's not forget the cost of insuring these assets. The second challenge arises when it comes to liquidity. While it's relatively easy to buy and sell stocks or bonds through the stock market, the same cannot be said for gold and silver. The process of selling a gold bar or a bag of silver coins can be much more challenging. Finding a buyer, negotiating a price, and physically handing over the metal all add layers of complexity that don't exist when dealing with digital assets. It's not impossible, of course, but it does require a level of effort and knowledge that can be daunting. In contrast to these challenges, investing in gold and silver also presents unique opportunities. These precious metals offer a hedge against inflation, a safe haven in times of economic turmoil, and a tangible asset that has proven its worth time and time again. In the ever-changing world of finance, the consistent value of gold and silver is a comforting constant. Compared to other investments like stocks, bonds, real estate, and cryptocurrencies, gold and silver present a compelling case for consideration. They offer a stability that is often lacking in other markets and a physicality that provides a sense of security. However, like all investments, they come with their own set of risks and rewards. That's why it's essential to do your own research. It's important to understand the market, to know the history and the potential future of gold and silver. It's crucial to consider your own financial goals and to weigh these against the potential risks and rewards. You might find it helpful to consult with a financial advisor or other expert in the field, someone who can provide insights and guidance based on their own experiences and knowledge. Ultimately, the decision to invest in gold and silver is a personal one. It depends on your individual circumstances, financial goals, and your attitude towards risk. It's not a decision to be taken lightly, nor is it one that should be rushed. In the world of investing, gold and silver have indeed carved out a niche for themselves. They offer something different, something timeless. So, if you're looking for a way to diversify your portfolio or protect your wealth in uncertain times, consider the glistening allure of gold and silver.